Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have something absolutely irresistible on the menu. A homemade chocolate cake that's going to blow your taste buds away. Trust me, it's super easy, and you probably have most of the ingredients in your kitchen already. So, let's dive right in. First things first, here's what you'll need. 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour. 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder. 1 1/2 teaspoons baking powder. 1 1/2 teaspoons baking soda. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 cups granulated sugar. 2 large eggs. 1 cup whole milk. A half cup vegetable oil. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. 1 cup boiling water. Start by preheating your oven to 350 F175C. Next, grease and flour 2 9-inch round cake pans. This ensures our cake doesn't stick to the pan and comes out perfectly. Mix dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. Make sure everything is well combined. Mix wet ingredients. In another bowl, beat together the sugar, eggs, milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract until it's nice and smooth. Now, slowly add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mixing as you go. This will form a thick batter. Add boiling water. This might sound a bit unusual, but trust me, add in 1 cup of boiling water. It helps create a moist and rich texture in our cake. Mix it in slowly. Divide the batter evenly between the 2 prepared pans. Then, pop them into the preheated oven for about 30–35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. They're done. Take the cakes out of the oven and let them cool in the pans for 10 minutes. Then, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Now, for the finishing touch, frosting. You can use store-bought or make your own. Today, using a simple chocolate ganache. Melted chocolate and cream can't go wrong. Spread that luscious frosting over the cooled cakes. Get creative with it. You can go for a rustic look, or make it super smooth. And there you have it, a decadent homemade chocolate cake that'll have everyone asking for seconds. I hope you enjoyed making this chocolate masterpiece with me. If you try it out, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy baking!